Hey y'all, so I don't know if I'm just now starting this vlog off or if it's videos before this, but just in case. Hey y'all, my name is Naya Lania, back with another YouTube video. Yeah, I'm still trying to get in my groove of posting videos, making videos. I'm a new YouTuber, okay? So bear with me. But y'all, we are going on a trip soon. So right now, I'm about to go get my eyebrows done, y'all. I'm about to try this hair store, Star Beauty. Everybody be going there. Everybody say they do eyebrows good. So we gonna see. I'm a little nervous because y'all, I don't like my eyebrows. I don't like my eyebrows to be like too dark or too thick. So I will let them know, like, keep it real natural looking, okay? I look bald headed right now. I look a mess, but just wait, y'all. I'll tell y'all when I get in the car, okay? It's really hard trying to edit because I only have phones and an iPad and they run out of storage quick. So this will be a kind of like a maintenance vlog to prepare for that trip. Y'all, good thing this place is not too far from me. It's only like 9 minutes, so that's perfect because I do have to come back home and get these bouquets out the way. I have 2 bouquets to make, one for graduation and then one for somebody just ordered a 50 count. So I have to get those out of the way because I leave Sunday and today is Friday, so they're gonna have to get they bouquets tomorrow, which is
never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
You serve it raw, you seen it all.
Good morning, y'all. So it is the next day. It is May 16th, Saturday. And I'm about to go get my hair done, y'all. Finally. Do y'all see my eyebrows? I meant to wipe them off on camera last night, and I also did my lashes too, but I forgot, y'all. No, my camera was dying, that's why. My appointment is at 11 o'clock. It is currently 10:55. I have some for you. I didn't know I had to get my eyebrows waxed first. So I had to, like, clean it up right there. Yeah, my butt hurts so bad. I'm so tired of sitting down. Yeah, I haven't got my nails done yet, obviously, because y'all haven't seen that. But I'm not gonna get it done right now. It's only 2:03, and most nail salons close around like 7-8 o'clock. First, I gotta take this controller back to GameStop, get my money back. And then I have to go into Walmart because I still have to finish those 2 bouquets from yesterday. So I can drop them off to them today. And then after that, I'm going to get my nails and toes done. And then I have to go back home and pick out my outfits, go through my outfits, stuff like that. So, and pack. And while I'm in Walmart, I also should get like little travel stuff too. Oh, y'all, this is a lot. Packing for a trip is a lot. So I'm low-key feeling myself right now. Like, oh, we in the yams, we in the yams, we in the person next to me. But yeah, y'all. So I just finished doing those 2 bouquets. So now I'm gonna go get my nails and toes done. I'm still trying to see. I know I want French toast. I'm hungry too, y'all. I haven't eaten anything. I'm also trying to figure out what I'm about to eat, but I know I want French tip on the toes for sure. And I was gonna do yellow at first, but I had to think about like the outfits that I have. I thought the yellow might just throw it off, so I might just do pink. I was gonna do pink French tip, with pink polish on my toes, and then on my nails, I'm probably just gonna do like a solid pink color because I don't ever do that. maybe. Let me just look on Pinterest real quick and then I'll come back to y'all.
I talk like I want it, she don't send it back. If cops pull up, I put that crack in my crack.
That's how much trash I have. Yeah, I'm trying Clovis for the first time. Oh man, my steak is so good. So famous. 5, 6, 7. This is why I need a freaking car mount. I was still recording. Yeah, I ain't never had to do this. He had to place a sticker on the window. I mean, on the mirror. That's new. Yeah, I really hope I like this burger. I really wanted, if you know, you know, I really wanted Carolina Jacks. But I wasn't finna drive all the way to Riverside for that, so yeah. But I'll let y'all know how it tastes. I really need to hurry up so I can have time to get my nails and toes done. The place I'm going to closes at 7:30. Hey y'all, so as y'all read by the title, your girl is going to Miami. Hope y'all can see me. So this will be a Miami vlog for y'all. Let me see. Finished packing everything up last night, y'all, so I wouldn't have to really do anything today. This is all I'm taking, y'all. I've been trying to clear up, I can't talk. I've been trying to clear up some storage on my camera so I can be able to record and get content in. But yeah, it's making it so hard. I don't have a MacBook or like a computer, so it's making it hard for me to clear up storage. Like, oh y'all, we made it to Miami. Let me get y'all a tour. I need to put some lip gloss on. So when you first walk in, this is the door, the living room. She want to be seen so bad. Y'all, it has another room with like 4 beds and a TV. Real cute. The kitchen, this little dining room. And y'all, this chair over here is so cute. I didn't even see that. Real cute. It's just outside. It is raining right now. That sucks. Oh, it sounds like it stopped raining. In this little area right here. Then you turn to the right. Here's my room. Cute. It's a mirror. And then right here is a bathroom. Light gonna turn on? Okay. It's the bathroom. And then we have 2 more rooms back there, but I ain't gonna go in there and show y'all. Now we're on the strip. We did go to the beach. I didn't show y'all that. I forgot to pull out my camera, but I'm gonna do better. We did go to the beach, y'all. But this is how the scenery looking so far. Look at that focus. Dang, you staring hard on that bicycle. You need to be paying attention. I don't care what I eat right now. I'm hungry. What? Is this Tristan?
That was Clark Ford. Nigga, I thought you was from Jax.
I'm from Houston. I just said that.
Tristan!
Tristan!
Why? Why? Turn your camera on.
Say hey y'all. I'm really hungry.
Are you gonna put me there?
Yeah.
Don't clip us. We don't want to be clipped. On my camera. Why my camera keep turning like that? I be forgetting to record y'all. I'm trying to give y'all the content and the footage. And I keep forgetting. Huh? This booty? It's crowded over here. Yo. Bro. I hate my eyebrows so bad, but I'm sorry y'all, I didn't pick up the camera. Y'all want to see my cute little pajama set? Isn't it so cute? So when we got back from the strip, we got in the pool in the backyard, and then we just chilled for a bit. We ate. Now we finna go to bed. It's like, I got my phone. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, and y'all, we have to get up early for brunch. So we about to go to bed. So we about to go to bed now. Then I'll talk to y'all in the morning. I need to make some space on my camera. Good morning, y'all. It's 9:19 in the morning, and I'm gonna get ready for brunch. I wanted to show y'all how the outside look right now. Wow. Got the jacuzzi. Real tea, real cutesy. Yeah, I love this B&B. Like, this is so nice. This B&B is just so cute. We made it on the yacht.
You're so sexy, I give a damn who catch me. She's sexy. She was talking to not anymore. Next to your face at the door. Ship for the ship from New York. Know what the sound, we gon' start a new challenge. Why you don't need more press?
I'm so drunk right now, y'all. No, this is the extra muse. Yeah, I'm so drunk right now.
Last speed that they've been doing.
Yeah, no.
Hell no.
I refuse to get. I'm gonna insert some clips on my phone.
Hold on, a few more minutes, okay? I'm not ready. You guys can have it for a while. I really hope y'all enjoy y'all. Oh, here, hold it, come here. Hold the goggles in place for me.
Very nice. Everything is so pink. So cute. Oh, and it's a mirror right here.